Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another mega episode of Social Intelligence. I'm your host, Emma, and today we are talking about a magic ingredient. Have you ever seen someone walk into a room and suddenly everyone stops talking to look at them? They aren't always the richest or the best looking, but they have charisma. Joining me to decode this secret is Mark.
Hello, Emma. Hello to our listeners. For a long time, people thought charisma was something you were born with. They thought it was a gift from the gods. But today, science tells us something different. Charisma is a behavior. It is a set of skills that anyone can learn, practice, and master.
That is such good news for those of us who feel awkward at parties. So, Mark, if charisma is a behavior, what is the most important part of it? Is it the way we talk?
It's actually simpler than that, but harder to do. The foundation of charisma is presence. Most of us are only half there when we talk to people. Our bodies are in the room, but our minds are on Instagram or thinking about our problems. A charismatic person makes you feel like you are the only person in the universe for that moment.
Let's break this down for our English learners. If I want to be charismatic, what are the 3 things I need to focus on?
According to researchers, there are 3 pillars. 1. Presence. Being fully in the moment with the other person. 2. Power. Showing that you have the ability to change the world. This could be through intelligence, money, or physical strength. 3. Warmth. Showing that you want to use your power to help the other person.
So, if I have power but no warmth, I am just arrogant?
Exactly. And if you have warmth but no power, you are nice, but people might not respect you. Charisma is the perfect balance of strength and kindness.
Since we are focusing on language, what is a specific speaking technique that creates charisma?
It is the pause. Nervous people speak very fast because they are afraid people will stop listening. Charismatic people speak slowly and use silence. When you pause before you answer a question, you show that you are the king, queen of your time. It shows you are not afraid of the silence.
Like that?
Ha ha ha, exactly. That pause made me wait for your next word. It created value in your speech.
What about the body? How do charismatic people use their physical space?
They are expansive. Insecure people try to look small. They cross their arms and look down. Charismatic people take up space. They keep their shoulders back and their chin up. We call this high power posing. When your body is open, your brain feels more confident.
Charismatic people always seem to make others feel good. Is there a secret to giving a great compliment?
Yes. Don't give general compliments like, you are nice. Give specific compliments. Say, I really admired how you handled that difficult question in the meeting. This shows you were present and that you actually noticed them.
Everyone says eye contact is important, but sometimes it feels like I'm staring at people. How do we do it right?
Don't just look, connect. When the other person finishes speaking, keep eye contact for 1 extra second before you look away. This creates a deep feeling of connection. But remember to blink. Ha ha ha.
This is surprising. I thought charismatic people had to be perfect. But you are saying that showing weakness can be powerful?
Yes, we call this the pratfall effect. If a very successful person makes a small mistake, like spilling a bit of coffee, people actually like them more. Why? Because it makes them human. True charisma isn't about being a statue. It's about being a relatable human being.
Let's give our listeners a language tip. How can they use English to sound more charismatic?
Use the echo. If someone uses a specific word to describe their feeling, use that same word back to them. Them, I feel totally exhausted. You, I can see that. Being that exhausted must be really tough. This shows you are 100% on their wavelength.
What if I'm having a bad day? Can I still be charismatic?
Charisma starts in the mind. If you feel like a victim, your body will show it. Before you enter a room, visualize a time when you felt powerful and loved. Prime your brain for success.
What is the no-ask rule?
Charismatic people provide value before they ask for anything. Instead of saying, "What can you do for me?" they ask, "How can I help you?" This creates a magnetic pull. People want to be around you because you make their lives better.
Mark, we've covered so much. What is the one thing our listeners should do tomorrow?
The doorway technique. Every time you walk through a door, take a deep breath, pull your shoulders back, and smile. Enter every room as if you are glad to be there and glad to see everyone in it. You all have a spark of charisma inside you. Use these tools to turn that spark into a fire. See you.
Goodbye, everyone.
You all have a spark of C.